Solana value equivalent to $148.53 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $146.01 – $149.72. The earlier day close, $146.52. The change was plus 2.01 plus 1.37%. Backwards rate, US to Sol. Dollar to Solana conjecture for October 2024. Before all else cost at 0.943 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.943, while lows and 0.758. The found the middle value of costs are 0.864. The US to Sol gauge toward the month's ends of 0.813, change for October 13.8%. US to Sol expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.813 coins. Exorbitant cost 1.042, while lows at 0.813. The found the middle value of costs are 0.910. The US to Sol figure toward the month's ends are 0.971, change for November 19th, 4%. Dollar to Solana figure for December 2024. Initially cost at 0.971 coins. Excessive cost 0.971, while lows in 0.787. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 0.892. The US to Sol figure toward the month's ends are 0.840, change for December 13.5%. US to Sol expectation for January 2025. To start with, cost at 0.84s in coins. Exorbitant cost 0.840, while lows in 0.676. The found the middle value of costs are 0.770. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends is 0.725, change for January 13.7%. Dollar to Solana estimate for February 2025. To start with, cost at 0.725 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.769, while lows in 0.667. The found the middle value of costs at 0.719. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends at 0.714, change for February 1.5%. US to Sol expectation for Walk 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.714 coins. Excessive cost 0.714, while lows in 0.578. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.656. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's ends at 0.617, change for spring 13.6%. Dollar to Solana conjecture for April 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.617 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.617, while lows in 0.498. The found the middle value of costs are 0.566. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends are 0.532, change for April 13.8%. US to Sol expectation for May 2025. Before all else cost at 0.532 coins. Excessive cost 0.532, while lows in 0.429. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.488. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's ends are 0.459, change for May 13.7%. Dollar to Solana conjecture for June 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.459 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.459, while lows in 0.395. The found the middle value of costs are 0.434. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's ends are 0.424, change for June 7.6%. US to Sol expectation for July 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.424 coins. Excessive cost 0.439, while lows in 0.382. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 0.413. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's ends at 0.408, change for July 3.8%. Dollar to Solana conjecture for August 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.408 coins. Excessive cost 0.408, while lows in 0.329. The arrived at the midpoint of costs at 0.374. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's ends at 0.352, change for August 13.7%. US to Sol expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.352 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.369, while lows in 0.322. The found the middle value of costs are 0.347. The US to Sol gauge toward the month's ends is 0.344, change for September 2.3%. Dollar to Solana gauge for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.344 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.362, while lows and 0.314. They found the middle value of costs are 0.339. The US to Sol gauge toward the month's ends at 0.337, change for October 2.0%. US to Sol expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at 0.337 coins. Excessive cost 0.337, while lows and 0.293. They arrived at the midpoint of costs at 0.320. The US to Sol figure toward the month's end 0.313. Change for November 7.1%. Dollar to Solana figure for December 2025. Initially cost at 0.313 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.347, while lows in 0.301. They found the middle value of costs at 0.321. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's end 0.323. Change for December 3rd, 2%. US to Sol expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 0.323 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.379, while lows in 0.323. They found the middle value of costs at 0.344. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's end 0.352, change for January 9th, 0%. Dollar to Solana estimate for February 2026. At the outset cost at 0.352 coins. Excessive cost 0.352, while lows in 0.284. They arrived at the midpoint of costs at 0.323. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's ends at 0.304. Change for February 13.6%. US to Sol expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.304 coins. Exorbitant costs are 0.389, while lows in 0.304. They found the middle value of costs at 0.340. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's end 0.362, change for spring 19.1%. Dollar to Solana estimate for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.362 coins. Excessive cost 0.463, while lows in 0.362. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.405. The US to Sol conjecture toward the month's end 0.431, change for April 19th, 1%. US to Sol expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at 0.431 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.474, while lows in 0.412. They found the middle value of costs of 0.440. The US to Sol estimate toward the month's end 0.441, change for May 2nd, 3%. Dollar to Solana estimate for June 2026. Initially cost at 0.441 coins. Excessive cost 0.448, while lows in 0.389. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.